Hello students, welcome to Sri Jayendra's Rank Zone classes. I am your mentor and friends for coming classes with respect to business mathematics and statistics. This is lecture number 7, chapter 2, unit 1, equations. Now start with equations. Now, what is equations? Equation is defined to be a mathematical statement of equality. If the equality is true for certain value of the variable involved, the equation is often called conditional equation. An equality sign equal to is used if the equality is true for all values of the variable involved. The equation is called an identity. Here example is given: x plus 2 by 3 plus x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 3 holds true only for x is equal to 1. So put the value 1 into this equation. 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 3 plus 4 by 2. 1 plus 2, 3 3 cancel, 2 2s are 4, so 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So it is a conditional because whenever x is equal to 1, at that time x plus 2 by 3 plus x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 3. On the other hand, x plus 2 by 3 plus x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 5x plus 13 by 6 is an identity since it holds for all values of the variable x. Determination of value of the variable which is satisfied in equation is called solution of the equation or root of the equation. An equation in which highest power of the variable is 1, so it is called linear equation or simple equation. This is also called the equation of degree 1. Two or more linear equations involving two or more variables are called simultaneous linear equations. An equation of degree 2, highest power of the variable is 2, is called quadratic equation, and the equation of degree 3 is called the cubic equation. Let's see example. 8x plus 17 into x minus 3 is equal to 4 into 4x minus 9 plus 12. Here variable is x, and highest degree or highest power is 1, so this is called linear equation. Next, 3x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Here power of the variable is 2, variable is x and power of the variable is 2, so it is called quadratic equation. 4x cube plus 3x square plus x minus 7, so highest power of the variable is 3, so for 3 degree 3 that is called cubic equation. X plus 2y, two variable, one is x and second is y. X plus 2y is equal to 1 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 2. Two equations, equation number 1, equation number 2 are jointly called simultaneous equations. Simple equation means linear equation. Simple equation means linear equation. A simple equation in one unknown x is in the form ax plus b is equal to 0. Here a and b are known as constant. Ax plus b is equal to 0. So ax is equal to minus b. So x is equal to minus b upon a. A simple equation has only one root. Root of this equation ax plus b is equal to 0. Root of this equation is x is equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a. Example, 4x by 3 minus 1 is equal to 14 by 15x plus 19 by 5. 4x by 3 minus 1 is equal to 14 by 15x plus 19 by 5. Now, solution is, by transposing the variables in one side and the constant in other side, we have 4x by 3 minus 14 by x by 15 is equal to 19 by 5 plus 1. 15 and 3, LCM of 3 and 15 is 15. So, multiply with 5. So, 5 4s are 20x minus 14x by 15 is equal to 19 plus 5 by 5. So, 20 minus 14 is equal to 66x by 15 is equal to 19 plus 5, 24 by 5. So, 6x is equal to 24 by 5 into 15. 5 3s are. So, x is equal to 24 into 3 by 6. 6 4s are, 4 3s are 12. So, answer is x is equal to 12. Now, choose the most appropriate option A, B, C or D. The equation minus 7x plus 1 is equal to 5 minus 3x will be satisfied for x equal to, so find out the value of x. So, minus 7x plus 3x is equal to constant 5 minus 1. So, minus 4x is equal to 5 minus 1, 4. So, x is equal to minus 4 by 4 is equal to minus 1. So, x is equal to minus 1. Answer is B, minus 1. Next question. The root of the equation x plus 4 by 4 plus x minus 5 by 3 is equal to 11. So, x plus 4 by 4 plus x minus 5 by 3 is equal to 11. 4 and 3, LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. So, multiply with 3 into x plus 4 plus multiply with 4 x minus 5 upon 12. So, 3x plus 3 4s are 12, 4x minus 4 5s are 20 is equal to 11. So, 3x plus 4x, 7x, 12 minus 20 minus 8, 11 into 12. So, 7x is equal to 11 2s are 22, 132 plus 8, 140. So, x is equal to 140 by 7. 7 2s are 14, 20. So, x is equal to 20 is answer. So, answer is A. Next, pick up the correct value of x for x by 30 is equal to 2 by 45. X by 30 is equal to 2 by 45. So, x is equal to 2 upon 45 multiply with 30. 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45. So, 2 2s are 4 by 3. We can also write in the form of 1 by 3. So, answer is C. X is equal to 1 by 3. The solution of the equation x plus 24 by 5 is equal to 4 plus x by 4. So x plus 24 by 5 is equal to 4 4s are 16 plus x by 4. 4 multiply with cross multiplication. 4 into x plus 24 is equal to 5 into 16 plus x. So 4x, 24 4s are 96, 80 plus 5x. So 4x minus 5x, 80 minus 96. So minus x is equal to minus 16. X is equal to 16. So answer is C, x is equal to 16. 8 is the solution of the equation. 8 is the solution of the equation. So put x is equal to 8 in A, B, C, D and get the correct option. A, 8 plus 4 by 4 plus 8 minus 5 by 3 is equal to 12 by 4, 8 minus 5, 3 by 3. 4 3s are 3 3 cancel. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 not equal to 11. Now put the value of x is equal to 8 into B. So 8 plus 4 by 2 plus 8 plus 10 by 9. 12 by 2 plus 18 by 9. 2 6 are 12. 9 2s are 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So LHS or RHS equal. So answer is B. Answer is B. The value of y that satisfy the equation y plus 11 by 6 minus y plus 1 by 9 is equal to y plus 7 by 4. So write y plus 11 by 6 minus y plus 1 by 9 is equal to y plus 7 by 4. 6 and 9. 2 3s are 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 1. 3 3s are 9 2s are 18. So LCM is 18. Multiply with 3. 3y plus 33 minus multiply with 2. 2y minus 2 by 18 is equal to y plus 7 by 4. 3y minus 2y, y 33 minus 2, 31, y plus 31. Cross multiplication, multiply with 4, 18 into y plus 7. So 4y plus 4 into 1, 4, 4 3s are 12, 124. 18y plus 126. So 4y minus 18y is equal to 126 minus 124 is equal to 2. 4y minus 18y, so minus 14y. So y is equal to minus 2 by 14, 2 7s are, so minus 1 by 7. So answer is D, minus 1 by 7. Next, the solution of the equation p plus 2 into p minus 3 plus p plus 3 into p minus 4 is equal to p into 2p minus 5 is p plus 2 into p minus 3 plus p plus 3 into p minus 4 is equal to p into 2p minus 5. P into p square minus 3p plus 2p minus 6 plus p square minus 4p plus 3p minus 12 2p square minus 5p. p square 2p square minus 3p 2p minus p. Minus 3p plus 3p cancel. So minus 4p plus 2p. So minus 2p minus 6 minus 12 minus 18. 2p square minus 5p. 2p square cancel. So minus 2p plus 5p is equal to 18. 5p minus 2p, 3p, 18. So p is equal to 18 by 3. 3 6 are. So p is equal to 6. So answer is A. P is equal to 6. Next, the equation 12x 1 by 4 is equal to 15x minus 1 by 5 plus 2x minus 5 by 3x minus 1 is true for. Now find out the value of x, or put the value of x into LHS or RHS and check equality. So put the value of x is equal to 1 into this equation. 12 into 1, so 12 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 15 into 1, so 15 minus 1 by 5 plus 2 minus 5, 2 into 1, so 2 minus 5, 3 into 1, 3 minus 1 is, so 12 plus 1, 13 by 4 is equal to 15 minus 1, 14 by 4 plus 2 minus 5 minus 3 by 2. So 13 by 4, 4 into LCM is 2, LCM is 4. So 14 minus 4 3s, 2 3s are 6 by 4, 4 cancel. So 13, 14 minus 6, 8. 13 not equal to 8. So A is not the answer. B, x is equal to 2. Put the value of x is equal to 2 into this equation. 12 2s are 24 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 2. 15 2s are 30 minus 1 by 5 plus 2 2s are 4 minus 5. 3 2s are 6 minus 1, 5. So 24 plus 1, 25 by 4 is equal to 30 minus 1, 29 by 5 plus minus 1 by 5. So directly we can write minus 1 by 5, 29 minus 1. So 25 by 4, 28 by 5, not equal to 28 by 5. So B is not the answer. C is equal to option C, x is equal to 5. Put the value of 5, 12 5s are 60 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 15 5s are 75 minus 1 by 5 plus 15 to 5 2s are 10 minus 5, 3 5s are 15 minus 1. So 61 by 4 is equal to 74 by 5 plus 10 minus 5, 5 by 15 minus 1, so 14. Here 14 and 5, so LCM is 70. 74 into 14 plus 5 5s are 25 upon 14 into 5. 98. 14 fours are 56. 5. 14 sevens are 98 plus 5. 1036 plus 25 by 70. 1061 by 70. So this is not equal to 61 by 4. So answer is D. X is equal to 7. Answer is D. 7. 12 into 7. 84 plus 1. 85 by 4. 4. 85 by 4. LHS. For RHS, 15 sevens are 105 minus 1 by 5 plus 7. 2 sevens are 14 minus 5. 3 sevens are 21 minus 1. So 14 minus 5 here we can write 9 by 3 sevens are 21, 9 by 20. Or here we can write 104 by 5. So solve the RHS. 5 fours are 20. So 104 16 416 plus 9 by 20. 425 by 20. 5 85s are and 5 4s are. So LHS is equal to RHS. So option D is right. So answer is D. Next, pick up the correct value x for which x by 0.5 minus 1 upon 0.05 plus x upon 0.005 minus 1 upon 0.0005 is equal to 0. Put the value one by one. A, x is equal to 0 into this. So 0 by 0, so 0 by 0.5, so 0 minus 1 0.05 plus 0 minus 1 upon 0.005. So minus 100 by 5 minus 10,000 divided by 5. 5 20s are 5 2000. So minus 2020 is equal to, answer is minus 200. So not equal to 0. Now put the value x is equal to 1 into this. 1 upon 0.5. 1 upon 0.5 minus 1 upon 0.05 plus 1 upon 0.005 minus 1 upon 0.0005 is equal to 10 by 5 minus 100 by 5 plus 1000 by 5 minus 10,000 by 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 20s are 5 200. 5 2000. So answer is 200 plus 2, 202 minus 2020. So answer is not equal to 0. C. Check for C. X is equal to 10. So put the value of x is equal to 10 into this. So 10 into 10 by 5 minus 10 into 100 by 5. Sorry, here 100 by 5 plus 10 into 1000 by 5 minus 10,000 by 5. So 520, 520, 5 2000, 5 2000. So 20 plus 20 minus cancel, 2000 plus 2000 minus cancel is equal to 0, is equal to right hand side. So answer is C. X is equal to 10 is true. Now next, illustrations. The denominator of a fraction exceeds the numerator by 5. So denominator is greater than numerator by 5. If 3 be added to both the fraction becomes 3 by 4. 3 added to both the fraction, 3 added to numerator or denominator and denominator. So find out the fraction. Let x be the numerator and the fraction be x upon x plus 5. By the equation x plus 3, 3 added. So x plus 3 upon x plus 5 plus 3 is equal to fraction becomes 3 by 4. So x plus 3, x plus 8 is equal to 3 by 4. Take cross multiplication. So 4 into x plus 3 is equal to 3 into x plus 8. 4x, 4 3s are 12, 3x, 3 8s are 24. 4x minus 3x is equal to 24 minus 12. So x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12. So now the required fraction is x upon x plus 5. So x is equal to 12. 12 plus 5. So 12 by 17. 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. So 12 by 17. Illustration 2. If thrice of A's age 6 years ago, so minus, be subtracted from twice his present age, the result would be equal to his present age. Find A's present age. Let x years be A's present age. By the equation, subtracted from twice his present age. So present age is x. Present age is x. So 2x twice of present age means 2x minus 6 years ago be subtracted from twice his present age. The result would be equal to his present age. If thrice of A's age 6 years ago, thrice means 3 into x minus 6 years ago. So present minus 6. Present years minus 6 year is equal to his present age. Present age is x, equal to x. So now solve the equation. 2x minus 3x minus plus 3 6 are 18 is equal to x. So minus x minus x is equal to minus 18. So minus 2x is equal to minus 18. Minus minus cancel. X is equal to 18 by 2 is equal to 9. So x is equal to 9. So A's present age is 9 years. A's present age is 9 years. Next. A number consists of 2 digits. Number consists of 2 digits. The digit in the tens place is twice the digit in the units place. If 18 be subtracted from the number, the digits are reversed. Find the number. X be the digit in the units place. So the digit in the tens place is double, twice. So 2x. Thus the number becomes 10 into 2x plus x. 10 into 2x plus x. By the question, 20x plus x, 10 into 2x plus x. So 20x plus x. Subtracted, 18 be subtracted from the number. So 20x plus x minus 18 is equal to, digits are reversed. So 10 into x plus twice the digit, so plus 2x is here. 20x plus x, 21x minus 18 is equal to 10x plus 2x, 12x. 21x minus 12x is equal to 18. 9x is equal to 18. So x is equal to 2. Put the value of x into 10 into 2x plus x, required number. So 10, 2 to the 4 plus, here's x. So 2, 10 4s are 40 plus 2. So answer is 42. Answer is 42. The number is 42. For a certain commodity, the demand equation giving demand D in kg, demand D in kg for a price P in rupees per kg. D is equal to 100 into 10 minus P. The supply equation giving the supply S in kg for a price P in rupees per kg is S is equal to 75 into P minus 3. The market price is such at which demand equals supply. Find the market price and quantity that will be bought and sold. Here two equations are given. D is equal to 100 into 10 minus P and S is equal to 75 into P minus 3. The market price is such that demand D is equal to supply. Demand equals to supply. So D is equal to S. So 100 into 10 minus P is equal to 75 into P minus 3. 100 into 10,000 minus 100P is equal to 75P minus 75 into 3, 225. So minus 175P is equal to minus 1225. So P is equal to minus 1225 divided by minus 175. 175 7 are 1225. So P is equal to 7. So market price of the commodity is rupees 7 per kg. The required quantity bought. So put the value of P is equal to 7 into equation. So 100 into 10 minus 7 is equal to 100 into 3 is equal to 300 kg. The quantity sold, S is equal to equation. A supply equation is 75 into P minus 3. So 75, 7 minus 3 means 4. 300 kg. Now, choose the most appropriate option A, B, C or D. The sum of two numbers is 52. Sum of two number is 52. So x plus y, consider two numbers and the sum of two number is 52. And their difference x minus y is equal to 2. Find out the numbers. So here x is equal to 2 plus y. So put the value of x into this equation. 2 plus y is equal plus y 52. 2 plus 2y is equal to 52. So 2y is equal to 52 minus 2 is equal to 50. So y is equal to 50 by 2 is equal to 25 and x is equal to 2 plus 25. So 25 plus 2, 27. So one value is 27 and second one is 25. So answer is C, 27 and 25. Next, the diagonal of a rectangle is 5 centimeter. Diagonal of a rectangle is 5 centimeter. And one of its sides is 4 centimeter. One side is 4 centimeter. Now find the other side. So apply Pythagoras theorem. A square plus b square is equal to c square. A square find out. So c square minus b square. 5. C is equal to 5. 25. A, B and C. 25 minus 4, 4s are 16 is equal to 9. So A is equal to 3. Value of A is equal to 3. So area of rectangle is A into B. Three into 4, 12 square centimeter. 12 square centimeter. So answer is B. Now in the next session we will continue this question. So this lecture is over and see you soon. Bye bye.